Hello everyone, my name is Erin Goodman. I'm from the Saving Grace Homeschool, and today we are doing Life Skills Term 1. Let's go. All children are special. Let's talk. How are these children different from you? And how are they the same? These children are all different because they live in different places and have different skin tones. But the reason that they're all the same is because they are children and we're all human beings. Let's read. People all over the world celebrate special holidays. We all like to play and sing. We all need food to eat. We must all go to school. If we are sick, we all need a doctor. We must all be neat and clean, and we should not have to get a job. We are all children. All right, guys, now you guys are going to do this Let's Write activity after this lesson with your 3 friends. You are going to fill in your friend's name, their religion, what special celebrations they have, what they eat, what special clothes do they wear, and who do they celebrate with. All right, this Let's Do episode you will also do after the lesson. You are going to look at the picture. It's a map of our world. You can see that our world has land and sea. You guys are going to color the sea blue and color the land brown and draw a few fish in the sea. It's going to look at the end like that. All right, let's go. My hero. Let's talk. Talk about whether there are children with disabilities in your school. Now remember, there are things such as physical disabilities, where people who battle to walk or speak and things like that, but there are also people with mental disabilities or deficits such as dyslexia, ADHD, Tourette's, and other learning difficulties. What could the school do to help them while they're at school? It would be nice if they made every classroom available via aspects in which all disabled kids can use. For example, wheelchair ramps and help for the blind kids, and obviously have special classes for those who are in need of a little more academic help. Can disabled people become champions? Yes, they can. They really can. And we are going to see how in the next little excerpt. Let's read. Some heroes have disabilities. They are role models for us to follow. In South Africa, there are many sporting champions who are disabled. Do you know any disabled people who are good at sport? There are multiple South African versions. We have Natalie du Toit, which is here, as well as Oscar Pistorius. He is a runner. So Natalie du Toit lost the bottom part of her leg in a motor car accident. She walks with an artificial leg, but swimming using one leg. So she's a South African champion in the Disabled Olympics because she swims with only one leg, and she has won a whole lot of medals. All right, let's talk. We're going to talk about people with disabilities who do wonderful things. Think about blind people playing musical instruments. Do you know of anyone? There are few around the world who play musical instruments who are blind. There are lots of musicians who play musical instruments being deaf as well. If you guys remember, there's a lady called Uma Thurman, and she was blind and deaf, and she used her body to talk. So she used to do these sort of dance moves to help people understand what she was trying to say. Um, and obviously, deaf people writing songs, obviously, they can do that as well. All right, guys, I'm going to give you about 5 or so minutes to just do this writing exercise. In the spaces below, you're going to give details about your hero or role model. My hero or role model is, you're going to draw a picture of your hero or role model, and then you're going to write words next to your picture which best describe him or her. Examples: friendly, helpful, courageous, loving. And then after that, you are going to discuss how you will be a hero, and you're going to use all of this template down here to write a story in which you become a hero. All right, I'll give you guys about 5 or so minutes to do that. I will set a timer and you guys can just go so long, and off you go. Now remember, everyone has different heroes and different people they look up to, so everyone's will be different. The same way as how people decide how they're going to become a hero will be different as well. Well done, guys. Let's move on. The anger. Well done, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson.